France in the European Union wants to issue more debt, and Germany's opposed to it. So it's absolutely ridiculous that you have a European Union that is a currency union, but every member country has their own fiscal policy. I've been saying this for a long time. The European Union as an institution is not long for this world. I've talked about the vulnerability with regard to NATO. Without NATO, you won't have a European Union. Another way that this can go down is similar to what happened in 2008 when you had Greece that had a fiscal policy that was not at all in line with the currency union of the European Union. You see, when a country does a lot of government spending, what they do is they have to borrow money. It devalues the currency. They have to issue that debt. And so they sell bonds. But every country has something a little bit different going on economically. So France, like I said, wanted to do more public spending, but in Germany, they're suffering from inflation because of high prices of commodities. And Germany does not want to issue any more debt. They don't want to devalue the euro anymore. It's already been devalued. They don't want to devalue anymore because Germany doesn't spend as like they in the public sector like France does. Germany has a debt to GDP ratio of 65%, whereas France is over 100%. So something like this is problematic, okay? So the European Union sounds good on paper. It's not a good institution. It's not allowing these countries to function as sovereign countries. Germany, naturally, the Deutschmark would be more valuable. It would be more of a stable currency than the French franc if they were to have their own currencies. So the euro is already not a store of value. I mean, what happened in Cyprus when they did the bank bail-ins a while ago when the banks were failing? Nobody stores their wealth in euros anyway. It's not at all going to be a competitor to the dollar because of that reason. But yet, like I said, this is just another example. So France wants to issue more debt. Germany does not. Germany has veto power. So, this is just another problem. This is just more tension within the European Union. They should just dissolve. They can have an economic union, but a currency union, that needs to go.